In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add custom fields to your records. The first thing you'll need to do is navigate to your settings. Next, you'll find your Manage Department Settings page. Once there, you'll decide what departments are able to see these custom fields. Choose and open that department. Now you'll decide what record types will have this custom tab. So typically you'll want to choose all the record types so they can all have it within. All you'll do is click on that record type, scroll down, find the custom tab, and enable it. Now, once you find a lead and are inside that lead, you'll notice that you have a custom tab at the very top of the record. In order to add custom information, you'll just navigate to that custom tab, choose Add Fields, and then you can click this pencil to rename that field. And you can enter whatever information you need to enter here. And that's it. If you have any questions about enabling your custom tab or adding your custom information, feel free to reach out to support@setshape.com.